Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack. Thanks for listening to English Podcast with FTJ. We're excited to practice real, simple English with you.
Today, we're talking about something we all experience every day, the weather.
Yes, talking about the weather is one of the most common ways to start a conversation in English.
Exactly. You don't need hard words, just easy, natural English.
For example, people often say, "It's hot today," or "It's really cold."
Or you might hear, "It's raining," or "It's sunny and nice."
These small sentences help you sound friendly and confident.
And the best part? Everyone understands weather talk. It's safe and easy.
Yes, even if you don't know what to say, the weather can save the conversation.
So stay with us, relax, and let's practice speaking like a native.
Let's get started.
Jack, when people start talking about the weather, what is the first question they usually ask?
The most common one is, "How's the weather?" It's very natural and very easy.
Yes, you can use this question with friends, classmates, or even strangers.
And the answer doesn't need to be long. You can say, "It's hot," "It's cold," or "It's nice today."
Let's give an example. Jack, how's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny. It feels really good outside. How about where you are?
It's a bit cloudy here, but it's not too cold. I like this kind of weather.
Me too. Weather like this makes people feel comfortable.
And if you want to add one more word, you can say, "It's very hot," or "It's a little cold."
Yes, small words like very, really, and a little make your English sound more natural.
So, everyone listening, try saying out loud, "How's the weather?"
And answer it with one simple sentence. You're doing great.
Jack, after asking about the weather, people often share their feelings about it, right?
Yes, exactly. They say how the weather makes them feel.
For example, you can say, "I like this weather," or "I don't like this heat."
Right. These are very natural sentences, simple but very real.
Let's act it out. Jack, what do you think about today's weather?
I like it. It's sunny but not too hot. It feels comfortable.
That sounds nice. I enjoy weather like that too. It makes me feel relaxed.
You can also say things like, "This weather is perfect. It's too hot for me. It's too cold today."
Yes, using too and very helps you sound more natural.
And remember, there's no right or wrong answer. Just share how you feel.
Everyone listening, try saying one sentence now. "I like this weather," or "I don't like this weather."
Great job. Keep practicing.
Jack, after asking about the weather, people often share their feelings about it, right?
Yes, exactly. They say how the weather makes them feel in daily life.
For example, you can say, "I like this weather," or "I don't like this heat." These are very common sentences.
Right. Simple words, but very natural. Native speakers use them all the time.
Let's make it more real. Jack, how does today's weather make you feel?
It makes me feel calm. The air feels fresh, and the sky looks clear.
That sounds nice. When the weather's like this, I feel more active and happy.
Yes, weather really affects our mood and energy.
Learners can also say, "This weather makes me happy." "This weather makes me tired." "This weather gives me energy."
And if the weather is bad, you can say, "This weather is annoying. I feel lazy today because of the weather."
All of these sentences are easy and very natural.
You can also add a small reason, like because it's too hot or because it's raining a lot.
Yes, adding a reason makes your English sound more complete.
So everyone listening, say one full sentence now. Talk about how the weather makes you feel.
Take your time. Speaking slowly is okay.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Jack, after sharing feelings about the weather, people often talk about how it affects their daily plans, right?
Yes, that's very true. Weather often changes what we do during the day.
For example, people say, "I'm staying home because it's raining," or "I'm going out because it's sunny."
Exactly. These sentences are very common and easy to use.
Let's give a real example. Jack, does today's weather change your plans?
Yes, it does. Because it's nice outside, I want to go for a walk later.
That sounds great. When the weather is good, I like to spend time outdoors too.
And if the weather is bad, you can say, I'll stay home today, or I'm not going out, or I'll cancel my plan.
Yes, and if the weather is good, you can say, I'll meet my friends. I'll go to the park. I'll go shopping.
These are everyday sentences. Native speakers use them all the time.
You don't need long explanations. Just one reason is enough.
So, everyone listening, think about today's weather and say one plan out loud.
Practice like this every day, and your English will feel natural.
Great job. Keep speaking.
Jack, another thing people love to do is compare today's weather with other days, right?
Yes, this is very natural in daily conversations.
For example, people often say it's hotter than yesterday or it's cooler today.
Right. These short comparisons sound very native.
Let's give a real example. Jack, how is today's weather compared to yesterday?
It's definitely cooler than yesterday. Yesterday was really hot.
Oh yes, yesterday was too hot. Today feels much better.
Learners can also say, it's warmer than last week, or it's colder than this morning, or it's nicer today.
You can use easy words like hotter, colder, warmer, cooler, better, worse.
And you don't need perfect grammar, just try to compare.
You can also talk about change, like the weather is getting better or it's getting colder.
Yes, getting is a very common word in weather talk.
Everyone listening, try one sentence now. Compare today with yesterday.
Say it slowly. You're doing great.
Jack, after comparing the weather, people often talk about how it affects their seasons, right?
Yes, talking about seasons is very common and very natural.
For example, people say it's summer now or winter is coming.
Exactly, and each season has its own feeling.
Let's talk about it. Jack, which season do you like most?
I like spring the most. The weather is mild and everything feels fresh.
That's nice. I like winter because I enjoy cool weather and warm clothes.
And you can say simple sentences like, I like summer. I don't like winter. Rainy season is my favorite.
And you can add a reason, because it's not too hot, because I feel comfortable.
Yes, reasons make your English sound more natural.
You can also say what usually happens in a season, like it rains a lot in this season, or it's very hot during summer.
These are everyday sentences you hear from native speakers.
Everyone listening, try saying your favorite season and one reason.
Keep practicing. You're improving every day.
Jack, another very common thing people do is talk about the weather forecast, right?
Yes, exactly. People like to talk about what the weather will be like later or tomorrow.
For example, they say, it might rain today, or it's going to be sunny tomorrow.
These sentences are very useful in daily life.
Curious. Let's give a natural example. Jack, do you know what the weather will be like tomorrow?
Yes, I heard it's going to rain in the evening.
Oh, really? Then I'll take an umbrella with me.
See, weather talk helps us plan our day.
Learners can use easy future words like it will, it's going to, it might.
Yes, for example, it will be hot. It's going to be cloudy. It might rain.
You don't need exact information. Guessing is okay.
Native speakers guess all the time when they talk about weather.
And after someone talks about the forecast, you can reply with, I hope so, I hope not, let's see.
These small replies sound very natural.
Everyone listening, try one sentence now. Talk about tomorrow's weather.
Great job. Keep speaking and keep improving.
Jack, when people talk about the weather, they also like to complain or joke about it, right?
Yes, complaining about the weather is very common and very natural.
For example, people say, it's too hot today, or this rain never stops.
Exactly. And even small complaints sound friendly when you smile.
Curious. Let's act it out. Jack, how do you feel about today's weather?
Oh no, it's way too hot for me. I feel tired already.
I know. This heat makes everything slow.
Learners can also say, the weather is crazy today. I'm tired of this rain. This weather is annoying.
These are not rude, they're normal everyday expressions.
Yes, and you can also joke, like, the sun is too strong today. I feel like melting.
Jokes make conversations fun and relaxed.
And if you don't want to complain, you can say something soft, like, the weather could be better.
That sounds polite and natural.
Everyone listening, try one sentence. Complain or joke about the weather.
Don't worry, just have fun with it.
You're doing great. Keep practicing.
Jack, another very natural thing people do is connect the weather with their health and mood.
Yes, people often say how the weather makes their body or mind feel.
For example, you can say, "This heat makes me tired," or "Cold weather gives me a headache."
Right. These are very common sentences in daily life.
Curious. Let's give a real example. Jack, does weather affect how you feel?
Yes, it does. When it's too hot, I feel lazy and low on energy.
I feel the same, and when it's cool and fresh, I feel more active.
Learners can also say, this weather makes me sleepy. I feel fresh today because it's cool. Rainy days make me calm.
These sentences help you express feelings, not just facts.
And you don't need big words. Simple English sounds more natural.
You can also connect it with health, like, "I catch a cold in winter. Hot weather makes me sick."
These are everyday expressions. People understand you easily.
Everyone listening, try one sentence now. Talk about how weather affects you.
Great job. You're speaking more naturally each time.
Jack, when people talk about the weather for a while, they often use it to keep the conversation going, right?
Yes, exactly. Weather talk is perfect for small talk.
For example, after talking about the weather, you can smoothly change the topic.
Right. You can say something like, this weather is perfect for a walk.
Or, "This weather makes me want to drink tea."
Yes, weather helps you connect to daily life.
Let's show an example. Jack, this weather feels nice today.
It really does. It makes me want to go outside and relax a bit.
Same here. Maybe I'll take a short walk later.
See? From weather, we moved to plans very naturally.
Learners can use simple connectors like "so," "that's why," "because of this weather."
For example, it's raining, so I'll stay home. It's sunny, that's why I'm happy.
These small connections make your English sound smooth.
And remember, there is no pressure. Weather talk is easy and safe.
You can use it at work, with friends, or even with strangers.
Everyone listening, try making 2 sentences now. Start with weather, then add a plan or feeling.
Take your time. You're doing really well.
Keep practicing like this, and speaking English will feel natural.
Jack, before we finish, I think we should show how people end a weather conversation politely.
Yes, that's very important. Ending it smoothly sounds very native.
For example, people say, "Well, I hope the weather gets better," or "Let's hope for good weather."
Or something simple like, anyway, stay safe in this weather.
Let's act it out. Jack, it was nice talking about the weather with you.
Yes, it was. Hopefully tomorrow's weather will be nicer.
I hope so too. Take care in this heat.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Learners can also end with "Have a nice day," "Stay cool," "Stay warm," "Take an umbrella."
These small lines sound friendly and caring.
And they are perfect after weather talk.
Everyone listening, try ending a short weather conversation now.
Just one friendly closing line is enough.
Great job. You're speaking more naturally every step.
Jack, for the last part, let's help everyone practice everything together in a very natural way.
Great idea. Practice makes speaking feel easy.
Let's start simple. Jack, how's the weather today?
It's a bit cloudy, but it feels comfortable, not too hot.
Nice. I like this kind of weather. It makes me feel calm.
Same here. Because of this weather, I want to go for a short walk.
That sounds good. Yesterday was much hotter than today.
Yes, today is definitely cooler. I hope tomorrow is the same.
Me too. If it rains, I'll take an umbrella.
Good plan. This weather talk really helps us plan our day.
Everyone listening, try this with us. Ask, "How's the weather?" Answer, "It's..."
Then add one more line. I like it, or I don't like it, or it makes me feel.
You see? Short sentences, very natural.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
Weather talk is a great way to start, continue, and end conversations.
And you can use it anywhere, anytime.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.